I'm under the Media and Entertainment Department working as a software quality assurance tester for Motion Builder. I joined Autodesk basically because of my keen interest for 3D. One way to describe Autodesk, I would say, is awesome.
Hey guys, I'm an intern from AutoCAD User Assistant team. Here in Autodesk, I can have a chance to work with the most warm-hearted, genius, and funniest people in the world. And at the same time, there are many activities that I can attend. So, working here, I can gain work experience and have fun at the same time. That's pretty cool.
I'm a software assurance intern under the Media and Entertainment division. Basically, I write automation scripts to help test the functionality of the system. Why I chose to work at Autodesk is because I like using code to drive graphical displays, and I think that Soft Image can help me do that. If I could use one word to describe Autodesk, it would be inspiring.
Hello, we are interns from the Reality Capture team. As the name suggests, reality capture involves capturing the real world. Our project does this through photogrammetry, and we are also working with teams in San Francisco and Shanghai. It's really been an eye-opener for me. So Aditi, how's your experience here so far?
For me, the internship has been a really valuable learning experience, not just in terms of gaining knowledge in computer graphics, but also the experience of working in a team and in a professional environment. Working at Autodesk is fun and always interesting.
Hello everyone, I'm from the Design Script team and we are working on a new powerful scripting language. Why I came here? Well, I like new things and this gives me an opportunity to work with low-level machine code which I absolutely love.